Pavlova. A dessert from Australia. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Place egg whites in a clean glass bowl. Beat slowly until frothy, then increase the speed and beat until stiff. Step 2. Gradually add the sugar, beating well after each addition. When all the sugar has been added, the mixture should be shiny, very stiff, and should stand in peaks. Gently fold in the vinegar and cornstarch with a metal spoon. Line a cookie sheet with brown paper and grease it lightly. Pile the meringue mixture on it. It should form a cylinder about 8 inches in diameter and 2 inches high. Step 4. Preheat the oven to just under 300 degrees. Bake the pavlova between 90 and 105 minutes. When cooked, leave the oven door ajar and allow the pavlova to cool inside. Step 5. When cold, peel off the paper and transfer to a serving platter. Just before serving, top with the whipped cream and fruit. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.